Hello, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you're looking for a high quality headset microphone, then I would recommend this one here from Shure. This is a PGA 31, and this is a headset condenser microphone, and this thing is awesome. It has incredible sound quality, it's really comfortable to wear, and the microphone is adjustable. You can make it fit for you, and it really stays put when it's on your head. So what I use this for is for teaching virtual fitness classes, and I am constantly moving, and this microphone completely stays put, which is exactly what I need. It is compatible with your Shure body pack. You can just pop this in here and it clicks into place, and it's super simple to use. So I'm gonna show you how it sounds when I'm teaching a class, and you can hear the amazing quality.
Challenging that core here, even more than your forward lunge already does. So go ahead and grab one weight.
So I love that this microphone is incredibly high quality. It is easy to use. It pairs up super easy with your other Shure products. And I love how comfortable it is, and it stays put and delivers exactly what I need. So if you are looking for a headset condenser microphone, then I would recommend this one from Shure. It's awesome, and I absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.